Okay, today we're going to be installing this Armstrong TV mounting bracket from Harbor Freight. It's supposed to fit TV 17 to 42 inches. It's a swivel tilt. And I'm going to be mounting my 32-inch TV at the cabin here to it. So let me show you how that's going to go. It says easy. Sorry for the lighting. It's all cloudy and rainy outside, so I figured to do a video. Here's the features. And full motion capacity. Let you view your TV anywhere. Easy installation. Here's tell you what you'll need, the tools you're going to need to install this swivel. So, in the package, we will have the mounting arm and the plate that will go on the back of your TV. So right now, I'm going to get this swivel arm mounted to the wall, and then we'll mount the plate to the back of the TV. Okay, first thing you're going to do, try to get you better light over here, is you're going to locate where you want the TV. I'm going to go about halfway up on the wall. Don't need it way up top, don't need it way down. So, and once you do, you're going to center this on a stud. And then you're going to mark the location of the bolt holes while you or somebody else holds it there. Now, if your wall got sheetrock, you're going to find the studs you just need to find one stud where you need to mount this and use a stud finder that finds the edges of the stud, and you should be able to center that right on the stud, and then you're going to use a 7/16" drill bit to drill a hole in there. Oh. Get it straight. Okay, whoa. Okay, back it on out. Okay, you gotta go straight. There, right there. A little bit farther. A bit farther. Okay. Okay, now we got our holes drilled. Now we're going to put the mounting plate up here, or swivel arm. Okay, Harbor Freight includes the hardware, and to mount this swivel arm, you're going to use a 10mm wrench or socket, and they don't supply that, but they do supply the 3-inch lag screws. So now we're going to mount that swivel arm to the stud. Okay, now you're going to start your lag screws. And you're going to use your wrench or your ratchet, whatever you're using, to finish tightening them up. Okay, let's see what you're doing there. Here, let me hold this.
You want to try it?
Nope, go ahead.
It's not really doing anything.
It will. There you go. And don't get it super tight yet. You want to do your bottom, yeah, snug your bottom one up too, and then you can tighten them both up. Nope, wrong way.
This way?
Yep. Oh, you like long ways.
I got it.
Okay, now. I think you got it.
Just to make sure.
Yeah, well, don't strip them out. Okay, now we've got our arm mounted. Now we're going to mount the plate to the back of the TV. Now, when you mount this plate to the back of your TV, this part right here with the tab with the hooks goes up. That's what's going to hook on to your swivel arm. And let's hope that this, yep, there we go. These are lining up. Good deal. Now, we're going to,
What do we need?
whichever one fits. Harbor Freight provides a lot of screws. Whatever fits in there.
That one.
Need 4 of them. This is really one of the more simple TV mounting plates there.
Wait a minute. That does not fit. This is
That's one.
Yes, sir.
So probably no matter what size your TV holds in the back, they have a screw in this package that will fit, because they provide several. And like I said, this is, I think, from a 17 to 42 inch TV. And I think it was 16, 17 bucks, something like that. Cheaper than the ones at Walmart. Especially for a full motion bracket. And that's it. We got them all tightened. Now we're ready to mount it on the wall. Before we put the TV here, and when you mount this, the square one goes up, not the U-shaped one. So we're going to take these screws that are protruding out the side out, because that's what's going to hold our plate on our TV when we get it mounted. So go ahead and take those two out. They're fairly long, they have to be, but you know. And once you get those out, you're going to keep track of them, because you're fixing to put your TV on there. Okay, we got those screws out. Now we're ready to put the TV, and we're just going to, there we go. It's going to go in that bracket.
see it.
You're good. Just bring it on down. There you go. Now put those screws back in the sides. Start over here. We can.
Sorry.
Those screws just go right back where you take them out of. The only thing, they go through that bracket on the plate. And once you've got that, you've got it secured. And once you have these screws in, your TV's mounted. Now to tilt it, up and down, you will loosen these screws right here and tilt it the way you want. And then obviously it goes to side. It lay flat against the wall. Pretty cool. So that's how you mount your 17 to 42 inch TV with a Harbor Freight Armstrong TV wall mount.